Warriors, welcome to Ultimate Male Academy. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing and as well as doing a review on this Coleman instant cabin 4-person tent. I bought this tent. The intention is to use during emergency situation. I do not plan to use this tent on a regularly basis. Let's open this to see how the tent looks like. These two straps. There's some tools in here. Two, four, six, eight. 8 of this. That this part here is facing up like this, okay? Got 2 legs. I put this up for display like this, but it is located on the ground. Then you can use one of these tools to put it through this hole and then run it to the ground. There are 4 bases of the tent, and you use this metal stick to secure each of the base of the tent. There's also 4 strings that attach to the tent here. All you want to do is to stretch the string out and then use this metal stick to secure it to the ground. It is extremely so easy to set up this tent. If I want to see what's going on outside, then I just open the zipper here, and there you go. I have my mosquito screen here. This is the mosquito net, and you can use the zipper inside the tent to close the covers. That way you have more privacy. Actually, one of the best items. I really like this tent. It has enough room and space for me and my dogs to spend a night inside this tent comfortably. If you want to get your tent, then make sure to click the link below this video to get your tent today. At the very top of the tent, it has that little round hook right there. And then it also has this part where you can unzip it. If you want some ventilation, then there's this little stick or so. You stick it to the top of this part of the tent here, and there you go. You have some ventilation. And there's one window, there's two window, there's three window, and then there is four window. This part, there's no zipper, there's no window. And right here, there is a pocket where you can store your phone or whatever you want to store in there. And there is another pocket on this side of the tent. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and we wish you a great and amazing day. Take care now. Bye bye.